Hi, this is Pearson Education, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enroll in your BlackBoard integrated course. So in this course you'll want to go to your course list. In this one I'm using a biology course, and so you click on your course. Once your course opens up, what you'll notice on the left-hand side is you may see a link to Mastering Resources for Students. If this is here, then you will click on this link. And then you'll notice that on the right-hand side you will find links to the Mastering Biology areas like the course home and the assignments and the e-text and so forth. If for some reason that link isn't there, you would then go up to Tools instead. And if you open up the Tools page on your BlackBoard navigation bar and scroll down, you'll notice there's a Pearson, MyLab, and Mastering link as well. And if you click on that, you'll be able to get to the same links that would be in the Mastering Resources for Students area as well. When you click on one of these links, you'll then begin the process of registration or connecting your student account with your BlackBoard account with your Pearson account. You want to make sure if you're on a public computer that you have signed out of the browser previously and cleared the cache and made sure you're not in anybody else's BlackBoard, or that nobody else has tried to register before you on the public computer. Okay, so it's always good if you're on a public computer to basically go ahead and make sure that you've cleared the cache, clear the browser, and that you are on a fresh viewing of the browser screen. So if you are on a public computer, I would suggest closing out the browser, clearing it, and then restarting again just in case. Now once you click on that link, as you'll notice, you'll see continue, and you'll get to our registration screen, and from here you'll click the I accept button. And then if you have a previous Pearson account, you can enter that right into the sign in area. Okay, and so I'm going to type one in right here now. And you'll want to continue to use the same Pearson account that you use for any of your courses, whether you're in a MyMathLab course or a Mastering Chemistry or Mastering Physics or Mastering Biology. If you don't have an account, then you can always create one by following the steps under Create Your Account. Now once you get to this page, what you'll notice is you now have the ability to either use an access code. So if you've previously purchased at the bookstore, you can then use an access code. If not, if you don't have an access code yet, you can always use credit card or PayPal to purchase the $115 access code there, and that is 24 months of access, and that includes the e-text and the homework system. If you already have the e-text, then you will choose the option that is below the $115.95. If you don't need the e-text, or if you've purchased a print text, or you have a book already, then you can purchase the non-e-text version, and that version will also last for 24 months. And the last option is if you do not, if you're waiting for financial aid, you don't have an access code, or you're not ready to pay yet, you can use our temporary access, which gives you free access for 14 days to the course, to the e-text, to your homework. Now, the good thing about using the temporary access is that you can do your work, and while you wait for your payment or wait for your financial aid to come in, and all of your work will be saved in the course. What you'll want to do is you want to come back and you want to upgrade the account. You never want to create a second login name or username. So if you ever are coming back to upgrade a temporary access account and you start to create a new login name, then you're in the wrong place. You want to stop and make sure that you go back into your Pearson account, and you want to click an upgrade access link. When you click that temporary access, the next thing you'll notice is that you'll come back to our Pearson screen. You can then click Go to My Courses, and when you click Go to My Courses after you've registered, we'll see in a moment, it'll be brought to the portal page, and it actually brings you right into the course, and now you can go right into any of your assignments and start working those assignments. And so now every time you come back to BlackBoard, you'll be able to click on those links and go directly to the Pearson site, and you will not have to use your login name or password or information. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or if you run into any problems, please contact our support.